next leg is northwards through Eswatini towards the Mozambique border. Wet roads and heavy traffic slow down the elephant convoy. It takes them all night to reach the Mfumeni border post just before dawn. But the officials at this post aren't in any hurry to allow them through.
We're here at the Mfumeni border post, getting ready to exit Swaziland. We had an easy entrance into Swaziland, no hiccups there. Trucks have just come across, as you can see, they're coming in behind us. We're going to clear their paperwork and hopefully we'll be in Mozambique in the next 15 to 20 minutes. We had the inspectors at every border post go through our paperwork with a fine-tooth comb.
No, PYZ. Ja, de 12 o'clock. Yeah, also.
On top of this, we needed veterinary clearances both for Mozambique and for Swaziland.
Whilst in motion, the elephants are relaxed. But when standing still, they become agitated in their crates.
All I'm doing is I'm injecting them a little bit because they're a bit alive. So I'm just giving them some Stressinol just to relax them a little bit more.
While elephants have excellent hearing and a sense of smell superior to any other land animal, they are relatively short-sighted. In order to perform the offloading safely, the team is hoping to reach Zinave before sunset the next day. But the delays are starting to add up, costing them valuable time.